January 3rd, a weak cold front advancing from the deep south into the southeast will be the primary driver of aviation impacts today, with scattered showers and gusty southwest winds ahead of it affecting portions of Florida and the southeastern Gulf Coast, while larger-scale mid-upper troughing across the northern and western United States supports snow and mixed precipitation over the upper Midwest and Great Lakes. The frontal boundary will also enhance a modest pressure gradient across the southeast, leading to elevated winds aloft and tighter surface gradients that matter for cruise performance and fuel planning. Across much of the southeast and Florida peninsula, southwest flow ahead of the approaching front is leading to gusty surface winds and a band of showers this afternoon into the evening. Expect scattered rain bands to push southeast through central Florida later this afternoon and into tonight, with the highest rain chances north of Orlando diminishing as the line weakens overnight. Lightning risk is low, but gusts to 25 knots are likely, especially over coastal and inland central Florida airports, which can complicate crosswind components and ground operations. Small craft advisory conditions prevail offshore with increased seas and choppy waters that can translate to low-level wind shear near coastal TAF sites. Behind the front tonight, winds gradually ease but remain elevated through the overnight hours. In the northern U.S., like an upper trough and associated low pressure over the plains, shifting toward the Great Lakes, will maintain pockets of snow and mixed precipitation over parts of the upper Midwest and Great Lakes today, with heavier snow potential lingering into early Sunday. This pattern supports IFR to LIFR ceilings and visibility reductions in heavier snow for terminals near and north of the I-90 corridor, and also poses icing risks in precipitation cores, particularly where temperatures hover near freezing. Pilots operating at KMSP, KGRB, or IIWD should plan for lower flight categories and possible ground delays due to snow and sleet. Out west, broad troughing off the west coast keeps moisture streaming into California and the Sierra Nevada, with areas of rain and mountain snow continuing. Heavy snow in the Sierra and Northern Rockies will induce turbulence and mountain wave activity that can propagate downstream into adjacent airspace. West Coast departures and arrivals should allow extra time for desing ops and flow control constraints. Elsewhere across the central U.S. and with the frontal boundary and associated forcing displaced southward, much of the Central Plains and Ohio Valley will see dry, stable conditions, albeit with breezy winds in the mid-levels. Pilots can expect mostly VFR with some elevated gusts that could exaggerate turbulence in mixed layer flow transitions. Overall, today's weather reflects a moderately active pattern with showers and gusty SW winds in the southeast, significant snow and IFR conditions across the upper Midwest/Great Lakes, and moisture-enhanced precipitation out west. Adjustments to flight plans should prioritize potential low ceilings and visibility in snow bands, stronger winds affecting fuel burn and ground handling, and local gust situations that can affect standard takeoff and landing minimums. Fly safe and manage spacing as systems evolve through the day.